Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. This question is asking an electron enters a magnetic field of 0.75 Tesla with a velocity perpendicular to the direction of the field. At what frequency does the electron traverse a circular path? And let's see how we can find it. So here they are asking for the frequency, right? We have to derive a frequency equation, and we know that whenever we have electric field, we can use this force equation. F is equal to QVB sine theta, and since the magnetic field is perpendicular to the direction of the electron, this is going to be 90 degree. Sine 90, that's equal to 1. So we can just write QVB, right? Because other thing is going to be just 1. F is equal to QAB, and this is in circular path. So we are going to have a centripetal force that's given by mv square over r. mv square over r. mv square over r. Now we can equate both of them, right? So we can equate QVB is equal to mv square over r. Now let's bring the r to this side, r, and other things to the other side. mv square over qvb, and if you notice, this v and this v square cancels, and we are left with mv over qb. Now what we can do is we can multiply both sides by 2 phi, because I am trying to create an equation related to frequency. So let's see how we can derive that. So this is going to be 2 phi r is equal to 2 phi times mv over qb, right? And then this velocity, if I bring this one to this side, 2 phi r over v is equal to 2 phi m over qb, right? And we know that velocity is equal to distance over time, right? Time. And r is already a distance. And you can see like this, r is a distance divided by d over t, and this d cancels, and you are going to get t on top. So we are going to have 2 phi t is equal to 2 phi m over qb. So this basically represents the time take for it to travel one circle. And we know that whenever we have a circle and the total time, if we have a time of the circle to complete a one circle, that is called a period, capital T. So instead of 2 phi t, we can replace this one with capital T. That's going to be period, right? And period is equal to 2 phi m over qb. And then period is equal to 1 over frequency, right? Equal to 1 over frequency. So if I write f right here, this value is going to be flipped like a reciprocal of this one. F is going to be equal to qb over 2 phi m. Now we can go ahead and find our final value. Therefore frequency is going to be equal to q, that is charge, and charge of the electron is 1.6 times 10 to the power of minus 19 times the electric field, that is 0.75. It's given in the question, and then 2 phi, and then we multiply it by the mass of the electron, that is 9.1 times 10 to the power of minus 31. 9.1 times 10 to the power of minus 31, right? And if you calculate this value, this is going to give you 2.1 times 10 to the power of 10 hertz, and that's going to be the final answer. So this is how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.